Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Watch GT 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue, and now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Huawei Health application to send the notifications to our watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone, and settings, scroll down to the page, scroll to the bottom of the page where you have the list of applications installed on your iPhone. On this list, find the Huawei Health application and tap on it. Here, make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Also tap on notifications and make sure that the allow notifications is enabled. Once you're done, you can go back to settings, scroll all the way up, tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see the Huawei Watch GT 3 watches. For some reason there's two of them, but tap on the info icon next to first one, and if you see this option, share system notifications, it needs to be enabled, so make sure this option is enabled. If you didn't see it when you tapped on the info icon next to the first one, tap on the info icon next to the second one, and it should be visible. So basically the second one looks like this and the first one looks like that. So find this option, make sure it's enabled, and once it is, you can open the Huawei Health application on your iPhone, tap on the devices icon, select your Huawei Watch GT 3 from the list of devices, wait until the watch is done connecting to your phone. Now scroll down, tap on the notifications option, and here make sure that the notifications are enabled. So tap on the switch to enable them, and as you can see, we can enable or disable the notifications for different apps like Messages, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Messenger, and Gmail. So you can tap on the switches to enable or disable the notifications. If you want to receive the notifications from different apps that are not on this list, make sure that the option called Other is enabled. Okay, so once you're done customizing your notification settings, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And as you can see, we got the notification on our iPhone, and we should get the notification on our watch. So let's wake up the screen by pressing the crown button, then swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the notification menu. And here we have it. Here we have our notification. And we can tap on it to view it. Also, you could clear the notification by tapping on this big clear button if you want to. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.